Welcome back to Grow My Savings. Let's be honest, managing money can be stressful. Remembering to pay bills, transfer savings, and track expenses every month can feel like a second job. But what if I told you there's a way to save, invest, and pay bills automatically without lifting a finger? That's the power of financial automation. Today, I'll show you how to automate your finances so you can build wealth effortlessly, even if you're forgetful or super busy. Here's the truth. The hardest part about saving money isn't knowing what to do. It's remembering to do it. Automation removes emotion and discipline from the equation. No more forgetting to save. No more, I'll invest next month. No more overspending before payday. When your money moves automatically, you stay on track without effort. That's how real financial consistency begins. Here's a simple system you can copy. Direct deposit your income, send your paycheck straight to your bank. Automatic transfers to savings, set up an auto transfer right after payday. Even a small amount like $20 each week adds up. Auto pay bills, schedule your rent, subscriptions, and utilities so you never miss a payment. Invest automatically, use apps or your bank to automatically buy ETFs or mutual funds monthly. Track with alerts. Set up notifications for large expenses or low balances. With these 5 steps, your money flows to the right places before you even touch it. You don't need fancy software, just use what's already available. Your banking app. Most banks let you schedule transfers and payments. Budgeting apps. Try apps like Mint, PocketGuard, or YNAB to track automatically. Investment platforms. Set up recurring buys in apps like Raiz, Syfe, or eToro. Savings automations. Use roundup features that save spare change from each purchase. Each small step makes your system smarter until your finances practically run themselves. When your finances are automated, you save without thinking, you invest consistently, you avoid late fees and financial stress. Most importantly, you build habits that grow your wealth while you live your life. Financial freedom isn't about doing more. It's about setting up systems that do the work for you. Thanks for watching Grow My Savings. If you're ready to make your money move automatically, hit like and subscribe for more easy financial tips so you can grow wealth even faster with less effort. Thanks for watching Grow My Savings.